Yo, YouTube, how's it going, guys? In this video, you're gonna learn how I saved $100 on my order using a Casetify promo code that I found for new and existing members. Now, this is my second time redeeming a Casetify code, and I was able to do this right from my phone and save some money on a new phone case and some accessories. I'll explain some more of the details here shortly, so keep watching this video if you're interested in learning how I did it. Alright, so my girl needs a new case, so here's what I have in my checkout. I added an iPhone lens protector and a new iPhone case that it was originally going to cost me $114, but after applying the Casetify discount code, I'm going to get both for only $14. Now, as you can see right here, the promo code is supplied by Feel the Deals. That's where I found it, and they're giving me 100 credit towards my order. The promo code should work fine as long as Feel the Deals keeps the promotion running. I wanted to make sure this worked for any item, so before I recorded the video, I added a bunch of other items to the checkout, and the Casetify coupon worked for each item and applied to them all. You can check out the description of this video for more information on how to go about doing this. I'll drop the full YouTube video tutorial there so you can go watch it step by step. And all you're gonna need for this, guys, is obviously an iPhone or an Android, and make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection. But yeah, Feel the Deals is a coupon page, but it's a different one, not like the ones that you see on Google where they only give you like $5 or it only works if you're a new user. This won't cost you anything. It'll just be a little bit of your time, probably 5-10 minutes out of your day, but it's worth it when you're saving on your purchase. So yeah, just check the description for the full tutorial. All you're gonna need to do is follow along, and it's pretty easy. I was able to get the process done pretty fast earlier when I did it the first time. You literally just type in the brand that you're after in the search bar, click on it, it'll have some little details about Casetify and some saving tips. You just scroll down to the coupon and deal section to reveal the discount. You just press the show coupon code. It's got little hashes, meaning that the code is locked, but that's completely fine. Don't worry, you'll unlock it following the steps in my tutorial. The process is super simple. It's just some sponsor apps. You help their ratings, which in turn gets them better rankings in the Google Play Store or App Store. And because of doing this, it boosts their apps so more people find them, and then they potentially earn more through their in-app purchases. And that's how they're able to give these discounts out. So it's literally that easy, doesn't take too long, and it gets you a completely working Casetify promo code. But yeah, after those sponsor apps are completed, the promo code will be available. Oh, and the promo code only works once. You can't use the code you see in this video because I'm about to use it. So basically, when you unlock yours, you just go ahead and copy the code and use it at Casetify and redeem it for a credit of $100. And you can do it as many times as you want. But you have to do different sponsor apps. You can't just do the same ones over and over or it won't register. And trust me, there are plenty to choose from. And it's literally just some game tutorials that you have to complete. I was able to get them done within 10 minutes, so the process doesn't take long at all. So anyway, if you want to get a code for yourself, check out the description below to watch the full YouTube video. I'll show you step by step on how to get a code for yourself. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.